Lights vanish away. We'll go green this time out of turn number 4. Ricky Bledsaw will lead us on the front row inside. Here we go. It's race time here in T-Town. Brownlee leads us off going into 1 and 2. Door banging quickly with the 20 RB of Bledsaw. Bledsaw working the inside. Brownlee on the outside down the back straightaway. Brownlee able to capitalize, leading into 3 and 4. Running midway up the racetrack. Here comes Bledsaw trying to diamond it off out of 4. Lap number 1 of the night goes to Sean Brownlee. Everybody going midway up the racetrack in 1 and 2. Spreading apart. Ricky Bledsaw loose out of 2. Here comes Double D to the inside, working for second. Double D on the bottom. Ricky Bledsaw midway up the track in 3 and 4. Double D 2 sideways in 3 and 4. He falls back. Now here comes the number 3 of Clayton Roberts challenging the number 9 of Derek Arnett. Arnett going way high side in 1 and 2. Shoots off to the bottom, but Clayton Roberts able to capitalize down the back straightaway. Got around the number 9 of Derek Arnett. Now for the lead side by side down the front straightaway. Sean Brownlee, Ricky Bledsaw side by side into 1 and 2. Brownlee able to drive away out of 2. He goes, slips up top. Now here comes Bledsaw. They make contact. Door bang, trading paint down the back straightaway. Going into 3 and 4. Bledsaw now to the lead with 2 to go for Ricky Bledsaw on the 20 RB, your race leader. Sean Brownlee running second. Down out of 2, down the back straightaway. Ricky Bledsaw leading. Connor Brownlee into 3 and 4. He'll see the white flag. One more trip around for the 20 RB of Bledsaw. Then Sean Brownlee, Double D, Dwayne Davis, and Clayton Roberts. Down the backstretch for the final time. 20 RB leads us. Gets it in good and clean in 3 and 4. Heat race number 1 of the night will go to the 20 RB of Ricky Bledsaw. Followed by Sean Brownlee, Double D, Dwayne Davis, the 3, Clayton Roberts, Derek Arnett, Aaron Keene, and the 89 of Dustin King following out for heat race number 1. And so next up will be Vetbox Containers, Factory Stocks, heat race number 2. We'll start them up like this. Front row, Flagman Brian Tapp makes the yellow light vanish. We'll go green. Out of 4, Calvin Wright on the pole. And we're green for heat race number 2 of the Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks. Wright leads his way into 1 and 2. Garrett going all the way top side, getting side by side with the 22. K of Kevin Wasserman down the back straightaway, side by side, going into 3 and 4. Kevin working the bottom. Going to try to pitch it a little better and able to capitalize to get the slight advantage over the 12G for the 5th spot. As race leader, Calvin Wright blowing away from everybody quickly, about 3 car lengths separating him and the J4 of Jim Keene. Calvin Wright leading away. And then coming through Jim, David Vinson, who was actually in the local public schools shop house car. A local high school. Kids all thrash together and work on that car throughout the week. We'll have more on that later. It looks like trouble's coming with the 77S of Randall Sessions as he goes way off the pace down the back straightaway. Able to regroup as that car is really tight. You can see him really trying to crank it and turn it left all the way, but it just slides way up the hill in the turns. We'll see if he does it here again in 3 and 4. And yeah, that car is just super tight. As Calvin Wright still leading with 2 to go here for Vetbox Containers. Heat race number 2 for the factory stocks. Leading down the back straightaway. Here comes the 22K of Kevin Wasserman to the inside for 3rd. Side by side. Number to number, paint to paint with the white flag coming. Kevin working on the inside. He's going to try to throw it to him on the inside, out of 4, and he got it with the nice white wheels. Now David Vinson trying to get back underneath him into 1 and 2 for the final time. Now going down the back straightaway, it's still Calvin Wright. He led from the get-go on the pole, and he'll win heat race number 2, Calvin Wright. Vetbox Factory Stocks Containers heat race number 2 winner, followed by Jim Keene, Kevin Wasserman, David Vinson, and then it'll go to the 12G of Garrett Van Oster, and then the 77